Zhengzhou issues flood warning, shuts schools and businesses after torrential rain. Zhengzhou, the capital of Henan Province, raised its flood emergency level after continuous heavy rainfall drenched the city on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. The local meteorological department issued a red alert, the highest warning level for heavy rain, at 1:20 p.m. local time. In several districts, rainfall exceeded 100 mm, with some areas expected to receive over 150 mm within the next 3 hours, significantly increasing the risk of disasters. Shortly after, city flood control authorities raised the emergency response level from level 4 to level 3 at 1 p.m. Local government then ordered a suspension of all urban activities, including production, business operations, schools, and all outdoor events. Various mitigation efforts were immediately implemented. Teams were instructed to reinforce vulnerable spots such as mountain streams, reservoirs, and small water channels. Access to manholes, basements, and tunnels was strictly controlled to prevent urban flooding and localized waterlogging. Additionally, at 2:15 p.m., traffic police set up checkpoints and roadblocks at heavily affected intersections. Extra personnel were deployed to manage hazards and guide vehicles and residents to ensure their safety. With extreme rainfall continuing, Zhengzhou authorities may extend emergency actions if flood threats persist. The top priority remains public safety, protecting city infrastructure from damage, and ensuring preparedness for further adverse weather conditions.